This is the way how I'm going to explain the chemistry paper. Let us see what was asked in the paper, and then obviously I will explain it. Mostly the part was informative over here. The first question was, the law of conservation of mass means atom of every different element will be with different mass. This statement is correct, but this has nothing to do with the law of conservation of mass. It is related with mass of reactant is same as mass of product in chemical reaction. This is what the law given by Lavoisier, and this one is the correct choice for this. The law of constant proportion was stated by the informative question. Proust is the answer, and that comes at fourth choice over here. All other names are certainly related with chemistry, but the answer is D choice. According to Democritus, the element are. Please note that over here, hydrogen, carbon, gold, and oxygen will not be correct because we are asking related to Democritus. And when we are asking related to Democritus, means we will have to go in that period. And at that period, it was water, fire, air, and earth. These were elements which were assumed. When they get embedded on the material particle, they have different properties. 24th is the mixture of 10 gram of water when added to 15 gram of sugar. Then, mind well, the lesser value is of solute and the larger value is of solvent. So I will be having solution with water as solvent or whether the particular sugar as solvent. So in this case, 15 gram sugar is there. That's why the solvent is going to be sugar, not water. So obviously over here, the answer is not B choice. Answer is going to be C choice for this. It will form a solution, but in that solution, sugar will be the solvent because it is 15 gram, whereas water is only 10 gram. This is again just informative one. Brass, a mixture, and it is the mixture of copper and zinc. This is incorrect because here the copper symbol is incorrect. Tin is here, so no question occurs. Here copper symbol is perfect, but the zinc symbol is Zi, which is not true. So that's why the correct answer is fourth choice. Let us move to the 26th. There is a solution of sugar such that no more sugar can be dissolved anymore. Means it is called as saturated solution. Now the temperature of the solution is increased. When the temperature is increased, the capacity to dissolve increases. Means the solution is not saturated. So the answer turns out to be, it is unsaturated solution of sugar. So this will be the answer for this question. And we will have this as a correct choice. The adjoining figure indicates the experiment to show the law of. Now this particular experiment is there. We know this is ignition tube, not test tube. All this particular was in our memory. The only thing is figure is slightly changed intentionally so that the copyright problem will not be faced by me. And now I can see that this is not related with conservation of energy, neither constant proportion. Certainly this is related with the conservation of mass, and it is not none of above. Some few formulas we may forget. So 40 gram of sugar is added to 320 gram of water. Then the mass of concentration of solution is. For doing this problem, what I will have to do is mass concentration is asked. So the mass concentration is mass of solute divided by mass of solution. So here mass of solute is 40 gram. Mass of solution 320 gram. No, 320 gram is water. It is added with this 40. And that's why it turns out to be 360. Now make the division and you will be getting the answer as 1/9, which is over here as a D choice. So these are the formulas which are there in the presentation, which are there in the textbook, but we may forget this. Okay, I will show it if anybody wants. So this is mass concentration, then there is a volume concentration, then there is a mole concentration. So these are the different concentrations which we have discussed. Okay, so I will rub this off and we will proceed further. Now here is the statement. 2 milliliter of alcohol is added to 8 ml of water, means milliliter only. Then the volume concentration is. Now the volume concentration will be again the volume of solute, that is alcohol over here, which is 2. And when it is added to this, it will turn out to be 8 plus 2, that becomes 10. And that's why the answer will be 1/5. 1/5 means it is obviously 0.2. No unit will be there. Now over here, let me tell you that this is slightly more than that. The reason is, you might be knowing that if I'm having a vessel, now this is, answer of the question is this. If I'm having a vessel in which water is completely filled and I add the sugar particle, sugar dissolves, means what? Means there are water molecules which are there randomly placed, but definitely they can move but not leave the container. So there is a gap in between. This gap is filled with sugar till it becomes saturated. So obviously, sugar dissolves in water. Let me tell you, in the same way, alcohol also dissolves in water. So actually, when I add 2 ml of alcohol to 8 ml of water, the volume of the mixture is, or the particular, that mixture won't be 10, it will be slightly less than 10. Because alcohol will fit in the gaps of the water molecules. So this is very interesting phenomena. And one can see that if it is completely filled and if I add the alcohol, which is of remaining volume, but then it is not up to the neck, it is slightly below. Means I am having a 10 ml vessel. In 10 ml vessel, I take 8 ml water. Then the particular remaining part is obviously of 2 ml. I add 2 ml of alcohol. Level will not be over here. The level will be slightly below than this. This particular level is below because obviously, as we know, the alcohol is soluble in water. Anyway, this is additional information which one should give while explaining the paper. But you must have a good habit of noting down this somewhere, otherwise it will be of no use. Next question, mixture of water and milk show the path of light, but the particles are not visible. This is because of, obviously, Tyndall effect, and the milk is collide. It is nowhere related with internal reflection, neither it is polarization, and it is Tyndall effect. Tyndall is the name of the person who worked on this phenomenon. This wonderful photograph, the adjoining figure, it represents Tyndall effect, and my excitement will have the hit to A choice. I will move to the question next because time is less. But when there is a all of above, always there must be a warning to you. Second choice says is due to scattering of light. Perfectly correct. Tyndall said the same thing, that it will scatter the light. Who will scatter the light? The particles of collide. So the liquid acts as a collide in the gas to form mist. This particular is misty forest, and that's why the sunlight is showing the Tyndall effect. So the answer will be obviously D choice, not A, and that is to be taken care of. 32. The number of collide exists around us. So obviously liquid in solid, liquid in gas, go on writing all these particular combinations. And the table at the end of the chapter shows that there are 8 such particular combinations. And you can see that there are 8 collide exist around us. The first 2 are having same name, aerosol. And then everyone is having different name. That is how the informative thing is there. But question can be on anything. The method to separate mixture of salt and camphor is filtration will not be useful over here. Hand picking is impossible. The salt and the camphor, they are having quite same color as well as same fineness. Sublimation of camphor and the salt remains in the dish. This is the perfect answer for this, and it has been demonstrated as a figure in your textbook. 34. Cream can be separated from milk by the method same as water is squeezed out from the wet cloths in washing machine. Same wordings are used in your textbook at explanation of the cream separation or explanation of the centrifuge. So A choice is definitely correct. But second choice says because it forms heterogeneous mixture and it is of different density. Cream is having different density than the liquid. So obviously it can be separated. That is why even the plasma is separated. That is why the water is taken out from the wet clothes. And the process used for this is by centrifuge. Cream can be separated from milk by centrifuge. And that's why all above will turn out to be the correct answer. So this is 34. Now we will move further to 35. We are seeing one apparatus over here. The apparatus shown in adjoining figure is, obviously it is used to separate water from kerosene because this forms heterogeneous mixture of different densities. So whenever water and kerosene will be filled in it, the water will be at the lower corner and kerosene will be at the upper corner. Nowadays, kerosene is blue in color. So I will have kerosene over here and water over here. Whenever this knob will be opened, at that time water will come down. I will close the knob and the kerosene will be separated. Used to separate dye of ink from ink. No, it is the process of evaporation which is used for this. Used to separate cream from milk. This is not useful for doing this. You need a centrifuge for that. It is used to separate benzene from water. They are miscible liquids. That's why it cannot be used for this. 36. When two liquids are miscible, then the method used to separate them is, obviously it is distillation if their boiling points are differing by good amount. It is not going to be distillation if their boiling points are close enough. At least 15 Kelvin difference should be there, and then we can use this process. 37th question says that out of known elements, we have element in liquid state. There is a particular one complete slide which was giving the additional information, and this is there in your NCERT book. Out of known elements, we have elements in liquid state are in number, which is 92, no, any prime which is even, only prime which is even. And as we know, we may hate maths, but the answer for this is 2. And there are only 2 such. One is mercury and the other is bromine. All other are tempting answers. 118 is the total number of elements. I think 92 is solids or naturally occurring. Okay, 38. A basic form of matter that cannot be broken down into simpler substances by chemical reaction, exactly same wording is given, and this particular is indicating element. But now look at the catch over here. A basic form of matter that cannot be broken down into simpler substance by chemical reaction are 118 known. Yes, the elements are 118 known. So this also is correct. R elements is also correct, and that's why B and C both will be correct. So this is the way how you can answer this question. Let us move to 39. 39 is having one figure and some particular tanks and pipes are there. Obviously, this figure is indicating nothing else but the purification of water. So it is purification of water. It is not extracting of oxygen from air or anything else. Reverse osmosis, a very popular word, RO. It is not RO filter. It is purification of water used by the government agencies. 40th is a good problem. 1 compound and 2 mixture differ as. What is the difference between the two? Compound always will have fixed composition, whereas mixture won't have any fixed composition. You may have the particular sugar to be 10 gram and water to be 100 gram. Sugar may be 20 gram, water may be 100 gram. Sugar may be 30 gram and water may be 50 gram. No problem. But when I'm saying water, hydrogen and oxygen are fixed proportion. So their composition is fixed. Second choice says that 1 is water and 2 is water and salt. Yes, water is a compound of hydrogen and oxygen, whereas 2 is a mixture, water mixed with salt. C choice says hydrochloric acid, HCl, is also a compound and bronze is a mixture called as alloy. So choice will turn out to be any of above, And this is the way how the questions are to be solved. Very rapidly it can be finished and you can get good performance. But you must read state board book, NCERT book, must take down the notes, note them down in your own handwriting. Don't waste your time in seeing the videos and listening to some lectures. It may be of anyone, they are of no use. Study will happen whenever you yourself will do it. So best luck and hope you will do the things properly. I will end the meeting as well as explanation.